In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email in Zendesk. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to set up email forwarding, making sure you don't miss any important communications. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zendesk homepage. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in the URL, or simply clicking a bookmark if you've saved it. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Sign In, then you'll be directed to a login page. Here, you're required to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password. Remember, it's always a good practice to double check for any typos that might sneak in. After entering your details correctly, click Sign In to access your account. You'll then be taken to your Zendesk dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol and is often found on the sidebar or the main toolbar at the top of the page. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Go to Admin Center. This will redirect you to the administrative panel where you manage various features of your Zendesk account. Within the Admin Center, find and click on Channels in the side menu. Channels are where you manage different ways your customers can interact with you, including email, which is what we're focusing on today. Once inside the Channels section, click on Email. This will take you into the email settings area. Now you'll see an option to add an email address. Hover your mouse over Add Address without clicking. This action should present you with further options, out of which you should select Connect External Address. Clicking this will initiate the process for integrating a new email you'd like to forward. Next, you'll see an email forwarding option. Click on it to bring up the forwarding address entry field. Simply type in the email address you wish to forward to. Ensure it's accurate and matches the address you intend to use. After entering the address, click Next. Now a prompt will appear asking if you've completed setting up email forwarding with your email provider. If you've already adjusted your settings in your email provider account to allow for forwarding, you can safely click Yes, I finished setting up email forwarding with my email provider. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on Verify. This step is crucial as it confirms the email address forwarding setup is complete and functioning correctly. With everything verified, you should now be set up to forward emails through Zendesk. Congratulations, you've successfully set up email forwarding in Zendesk, ensuring you stay on top of every piece of communication that comes your way.